You want to have financial and location independence, but you're starting from zero. What do you do next? In today's video, I'm going to summarize what your next steps are in attaining these things. Hi everyone, my name is Air and this is Plan Free, the channel that shows you what a location-independent lifestyle looks like and also shows you how to get it. We've been living this lifestyle ourselves for a little over 10 years now, and there are several videos on our channel that illustrate us living in different countries around the world. I get asked this question a lot. Air, how do you and Lori manage to live in all these different places internationally and not have jobs? What most people are hoping is that I can provide them an effortless solution, something like, oh, I just switched to the other hand when I started brushing my teeth and poof, I was financially and location independent. What they really want to hear from me is that they can just wake up tomorrow and without any real effort, they can just already be there. The reality of it is that it took Lori and I 12 years to redesign our lifestyle to obtain financial and location independence. And we work harder today than ever to preserve and improve the freedom that we currently have. Alright, where do you get started on this journey? In my opinion, step one would be to ask yourself a different question from the cultural norm out there. So instead of asking yourself, what do I want to do, or what do I want to be, instead ask yourself, what kind of lifestyle do I want to live? You want to contemplate this question long enough to come up with a specific answer or image on this lifestyle that you've identified. So you want to ask yourself additional questions in this regard. Things like, do you want to travel around the world, or would you prefer to stay put? Would you like to have multiple homes, or homes in other countries? Or are you satisfied having one home? Things like, how many hours in a month would you like to work? Then once you've identified the optimal lifestyle that you want to live as a target, you need to work backwards and identify people that are already living this lifestyle and find out what they are doing to make their money. The reason why I think this is step one for most of us is because it's something that you can do immediately. It doesn't cost any money, and it doesn't take any additional learning or acquiring skills to contemplate the ideal lifestyle for you. The next step is also free and something you can start immediately, and it revolves around spending less than you make. Learn how to manage your income so that you are continually spending less than you make. If you are always spending up to and above your income, you will never enjoy freedom. The initial goal here is to reduce your personal debt. The power of this step comes from the less debt you have, the less income you will need to service that debt. And the less income you need to service that debt means the less income you will need to eventually achieve financial and location independence. Next, you'll need to establish a study habit because how you think is a very important factor. Your attitudes and viewpoints towards independence and abundance will go a long way towards determining how long it takes you to get there. How do we adjust our thinking in this area? With that newly established study habit, begin an inflow of new viewpoints and ideas towards the mindset of abundance and independence. Study in methods that work for you. It could be reading, audiobooks, listening to other recordings, videos, etc. Well, right about now you're probably asking, what subjects should I begin learning about? Well, I would recommend that if you're in debt currently, you start learning about debt reduction strategies. Other subjects to consider studying would be things like time management, delegation, business, cultivating an abundance mindset, improving social skills. Next up is to identify and establish mentors that are living the lifestyle that you want to live and learn to associate with them. You will become who you spend most of your time around. Learn to associate with these mentors that you've identified through listening to their recordings, reading their books, and watching their videos. When the opportunity presents itself, spend time with them in person if possible. And lastly, even though it's been mentioned a few times in this video already, cultivate and develop an abundance mindset. This deserves its own point, and maybe even its own video. If your current mindset towards money is currently one of scarcity, like, oh, there's a certain amount of pie of money to go around, or that if you make more money, you're taking it from someone else and that someone else has to make less money, you need to cultivate an abundance mindset. Do yourself the favor of cultivating an abundance mindset where there's more than enough money to go around and opportunities are vast, like the air you breathe. My name is Aaron and this is Plan Free. If you like what we're talking about here on this channel, click the subscribe button and hit that blue bell icon so you always know when we upload the next video. Hit the like button like it owes you money, and add yourself to the conversation by contributing a comment down below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.